I was going, I am thirsty. That's what I was doing. Let's see what I got. What is this? What the heck? Spitfire. Kentish Ale. By appointment to His Royal Highness, the Prince of Wales. Brewed in Faversbaum. I think I said that right. Maybe not. Product of England. It's got the, I think it's called a Union Jack or something. I think that's what it is. It's sweaty. Look at it glisten. Better taste good. I guess it don't matter really. It's a beer. All right. Cheers to Airsoft Fatty. Big fat guy gets shot with an airsoft gun. It's like the last one I had. I don't even remember what it was. This is yellow. Look at the yellowness going on. It's like nuclear. This is the stuff that makes your piss like orange. Fucking dog. What do you want, man? In or out? Oh, no, you can't chug this. I need a cup. I'm gonna get a cup. Okay, I'm back. I had to wash a cup. I think I got all the soap out. Okay, here we go. What's this? This is dark. My lord, boys. What? Look at how dark that is. It should say brown ale. Wow. Can't even see through it. What the F? I could not drink this all day. Busch Light, all day long. Busch Light, no problem. Bud Light, yes. Coors Light, gross. This is just thick. Give me a knife. Oh. Jeez. I challenge somebody to chug one of these because you'll throw up. This is just like batter. Look at the batter. That's batter. I could cook that shit. think it's the only beer. Oh. That's thick. It's like pancake mix. Oh. It's out.